हरिः कर्ता।
So now let's examine a specific data range. Sometimes you want to enhance the contrast in your image or expand the contrast in a particular region while sacrificing the detail in colors that don't vary much or don't matter. So a good tool to find interesting regions in the histogram. So to create a histogram of our image data, we are going to use the hist method or hist function. So let me type examining a specific data range. So let me check plt.hist, and inside that the first argument is image array, that's lum image dot ravel, and then how many bins we are going to take. Bins of range of 256, range of 256, and fc the face color, fc I'll go with the black. Face color is black, I'm going with the black. And finally ec is equals to k, and execute. Okay, yeah, here is what you got, the plot plt. You can see that completely black in color. You can go for the other colors also, it's not an issue. Let me go for y, other one is black. This looks a little better. Now it's clear. The huge amount of data, it's clustered at one point, so that's how it's looking. Now most often the interesting part of the images is around the peak. So this is around the peak, and you can get extra contrast by clipping the regions above and are below the peak. So in our histogram, it looks like there is not much of useful information in the high end. So let's adjust the upper limit so that we definitely zoom in on part of the histogram. So we do this by setting a C lim. So the cool map limits, it's setting the cool map limits. So this can be done by passing a CLIM keyword argument in the call to the imshow. So plt dot imshow and lum image and CLIM is equals to a tuple of 0 comma 175, and execute, and this will be the output. Oh, it's looking beautiful. So this can also be done by calling the set CLIM method of the return image plot object, but make sure that you do so in the same cell as your plot command when working with the Jupyter notebook, specifically working with the Jupyter notebook. So it will not change plots from earlier cells. So let me take mg plot is equals to plt dot imshow of lum image, and below that this time I'm gonna use set clim. So mg plot and then set underscore clim, and it's 0 comma 175, and execute. Got the same response but with the different method. Okay,